evening and we want to go to the bank. Okay, this is greatness. So guys, our package today, go call and tell and say, Kitana, 4K for Shura because of you. This makes me beautiful.
Morning comes in soft, you smile, then the room does too. Little wins and simple things, that's your kind. Cup in your hand, sun on the table, gold and slow. You make the ordinary
Before now go to say
feel like a place to go.
push.
You when you make it easy, you when you make it kind. Every little moment feels like it's mine. You and stay close.
Yeah, but very quick. Not the best time to come for appointment. Or you come in the evening or in the afternoon. Guys, we just finished from our first appointment. I didn't talk to you guys at home because we're in a hurry. We left the house very, very early. So we just finished from the first appointment and we want to go to the bank. So here we came for to book appointment for my leg. I told you guys I have issue with my leg. So I went to see my doctor. He gave me a note to go and book an appointment. So we've gone to book for the appointment for August 16. That's where they have a vacant space in the hospital to attend to me. So let's go to the bank. I'll tell you guys why I'm going to the bank later.
Walking through the avenue, easy laughs,
I know.
little stories in your eyes, paint a brighter place. You don't have to try so hard. Your heart says all it needs. Like a breeze to open curtains, like shade for tidings. You and you make it easy. You and you make it kind. Every little moment feels like it's mine. You and stay close, sweet as a soft rose. You and you glow in the calm you show. You and stay close. You make the good times grow. You and you glow, and I just need you to know.
Your card now, that means you know if you
do online.
You can leave.
only order online service.
I'll be right here with you by the sea in your dreams.
Hey guys, so guys, I'll be using voice over here because the video I made sitting down and explaining everything I came to do at the bank, guys, was not good. It was when I was editing this video that I noticed that particular video was something else. It wasn't good at all. The camera position was so bad. I did it inside the car, so I didn't position my camera very well. So let me explain what I came to do in the bank. So I came to do two things in the bank. Number one, I came to unblock my account, or I came to unblock my bank account. So what happened was I was trying to order something from Amazon and I mistakenly put the wrong pin. I went to put my Nigeria account pin instead of my account here, the pin in my account here, and I did it 5 times because I was so sure that I was correct, and they blocked the account. So that's what we came here to do. But I couldn't do it this day because they told me it's not their job here to do it. For me to be able to unblock the account, I need to call the customer care number at the back of my card, which I've done, and they've unblocked my account. And the second thing I came to do here was to get an account, my bank account statement for TikTok shop verification. So that was one of the criteria for them to verify my TikTok shop, and I asked, they gave me immediately. And guys, I also noticed that I can be able to get my bank statement from my app. Yes, from my app. You no go blame me, because the country I'm coming from, we don't get to do all these things so easily, or everything is at our disposal. So I'm still trying to learn how my bank work and how I can navigate things with my bank. So I'm happy I've sorted out all those things. And we came to this shop to get baby stroller for baby Zana, because her stroller that she's using, you know, now the one she got her from birth, so she's like, if she's big enough or she's bigger than the stroller. So we came here to see if we can get another stroller for her, but unfortunately we could not, because the shop was still closed. It was still early for them to open. So in Italy, if it's not up to 9 o'clock, no shops open. Most shops does not open until 9 a.m. some say 9:30 a.m. So we came way too early, so the shops were still closed. So we left it for another day. So guys, I'll talk to you later. So before I go, if you have watched my video to this extent, you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and also share our videos. Thank you. Yeah, this greatness uniform. Can they do time day time day? Anything wey person support you buy, you keep am. Time day time day time day time day time day time. Na something wey person go still buy.
And they talk, I no get money now. Yeah, I no decide time day.
Na you dey buy am.
But white no dey for business one now.
Why dey? 11 to 12 years.
This one too big for
Too long for.
Look for the one is small. Which one be that one?
That's 11 to 12 years. Look at see. This one are boys own. Okay, see the one where they look. What I want. Yeah, there. This one how much?
This one 11.
Carry the 11. No, they go. So guys, our package came in. I'm gonna on that from my bed. Our package came in. Let's unbox. Oh, zubu. So guys, let's unbox. This is it. Hey. Oh God, this is going to be. Then I live there. This is going to be hard though. So guys, this is shoe rack. We are unboxing shoe rack.
Yeah, hold your box.
Every day I go there buy complicated. Well, that's me for you. Zana! So we are back home. Oh. We don't zero around finish. So let's. I disinfect you. Out. Then I wait, don't go lost. I know what it is. So this is how the shoe rack is. How this modern shoe rack. Then I wait till so guys, let me fix it. I'll show you guys the end result. Let me fix it. I don't have storage space to start showing you guys how I'm fixing it. I'll show you guys the end result. This is the cover. So guys, this is the end result. Please ignore. I'm going to clear up this place. So this is the end result of the shoe rack. It's very beautiful. Zana, okay, for your head. This is the end result. It's very, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. So this is the back. This is the back. This is the back. And it can contain. So it can contain, you can see how it is. The pattern can contain a lot of shoes. It can contain lots of shoes. Look at it. So this is beautiful. It's a good buy. It's a good buy. See what I'm suffering now. Zena, I didn't buy that shoe wrap because of you. On that one first, you can see that go work. Buongiorno.
I found your note on the fridge next to the bruised old bed. You said you left me a witness, but you weren't ever there. There's one red sock on the line, waving like a flag. I asked the
That's what you better
wind
do,
every
no
time
picture.
it just gives it back. Tell me where you go when the basket's full.
This
Tell me
makes
where
you
you
be
hide when the house feels cruel. One red sock,
right. These are different kinds of fish.
one red sock keeps climbing higher.
Crabs
You said you'd stay.
and lobsters.
You said you'd try. It's just me
Will not sweet.
and the dry.
Oh, not like.
They don't do it now. Just have 2 minutes. Let me do it.
These are crabs.
I wear the blue cup handle like a ring on my hand. Put your keys in the sugar tin like
Fred
I
house.
still understand.
Put this one for
In the
you.
sink
Oh, where you roasting it?
says you left in a rush,
Ah,
and the screen
I'm go back for
door
them.
keeps
So you
tapping
like that.
like it knows too much. Tell me where you go when the basket's full. Tell me where you hide when the house feels cruel.
And that goes and the flavor you carry that time when they know that. And they don't bring that one. And this one I be the one with the tape.
Keeps climbing higher. You said you'd stay. You said you'd
And the small one.